Silence!
Director Joe
Sat in his office listening to the noise outside.
Yeah.
There's trouble in the sir. Sulking is Henry. There's no train and the passengers are saying this is a bad railway. Indeed, said
Director Joe.
this is a bad railway. He found James looking very cross. Come along, Henry, it's time your train was ready. Come along, Henry. Henry's not going, said Gordon.
Fuck! Said Director Joe.
The yard has never been the same since Thomas left to run his branch line, he thought sadly. Leave those trucks, please, Edwards.
Nope.
One eternity later.
He went to a workshop and they showed him all sorts of engines. At last he saw a smart little green engine with 4 wheels. That's the one, he thought. If I choose you, will you work hard?
Yeah.
Then Henry came by, hissing as usual.